In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cash on delivery as a payment method in Odoo. Let's get started right from the Odoo dashboard. First, log into your Odoo account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main apps or widgets on your screen. Look for the website app icon and click on it. This will open a preview of your website inside Odoo, along with a top navigation bar that lets you control different website settings. On that top bar, locate the option labeled Configuration. Click on Configuration and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select Payment Providers. This is where Odoo lists all the available payment options that you can offer to your customers, such as online payment gateways and manual methods. On the Payment Providers page, you'll see a list of providers you can activate. Among these options, find the one called Cash on Delivery. This is usually labeled clearly as Cash on Delivery or COD. Click on that entry to open its detailed configuration page. Inside the Cash on Delivery configuration screen, look for the field labeled State. This controls whether the payment method is active or not. Make sure that the state is set to Enabled. If it's set to Disabled or Test, change it to Enabled so customers can actually select it at checkout. Next, review the other code settings available on this page. You'll see options for how communication or payment references are generated. For example, based on the document reference or the customer ID. Choose the option that best fits your internal workflow, especially how you track orders and payments. You can also define a maximum and minimum amount for using cash on delivery. This is useful if you only want to allow card for orders within a specific price range, such as avoiding very high value orders being paid in cash. Set the minimum and maximum values according to your business policy. Then check the currencies and country settings. Here, you can restrict COD to certain currencies or specific countries where you actually support cash on delivery. This helps avoid confusion for customers in regions where you cannot offer it. Finally, once all your settings look correct, don't forget one important step. At the top center of the page, set the payment method as published. Enabling is not enough. Publishing it makes sure it appears on your website checkout page as an option for your customers. After you publish, your shoppers will be able to choose cash on delivery during the payment step of their order.